Hey everyone, are you also looking to earn money online because you're not working and you are wondering that you don't have any skill how you can earn from home? Then this video is for you because in this video I will tell you each and everything. I will cover each step that you can follow to earn money online. So do not miss anything, do not miss any steps so that you can start earning by watching this video. So let's see that how with this online shopping platform you can earn on regular basis. Open Meesho application. If you have not installed this application, just go to Play Store, write Meesho and install this application. Go to profile of this app, and if you have not created the account, you can create your account. Now, once you click on your profile, you will see an option of refer and earn here. So you can share this application. This is a basic thing that I am telling you. So by referring also you can earn the amount from this application. So you can see that below we are getting an option of invite via WhatsApp. So you can invite your friend and you can earn the amount. Now you can see that option of bank and UPI details. As you can see that I have verified and uploaded my UPI details. With the help of that, I am getting my amount credited in my account. So you can add your bank details as well as UPI details. It's up to you. Whichever you want, you can update it here. Now, next, what I'll be doing here, I will go and search for weighing machine because I want to resell this product. And it's up to you. Whichever product you want, you can select. So here you can see that I am going to select one weighing machine here. It is of 291 rupees and I will resell this. So I will take a screenshot of this weighing machine so that I can show offer on this picture. Now what I'll be doing that I will go to my gallery, and as I have taken the screenshot of this picture, I will crop this picture and then I will be using to create my image which I will post on my social media platform. So here as you can see that I have cropped this picture, then I will save this. Now whichever photo editor application you are using to edit your photo, it's up to you, but I am using InShot application because it is free of cost. So I will go to photo option here and I will upload this weighing machine picture, and here I will show offer that anyone can avail on this weighing machine. So I will write 70% off, and you can write text on your picture by using any platform. So I will place this offer on this weighing machine. And then I will write one more thing about the costing of this weighing machine. So I will mention 350 rupees and I will get the profit of 59 rupees per sale. So you can see that I am writing this on this weighing machine and I will try to place it so well so that anyone can find it costing and can able to see the offer running on this weighing machine. So this is how you have to place whichever product you are selecting, and on it just show offer and costing well so that anyone can find it well and can see the cost and offer and can approach you for the product. So you can see that I have mentioned it here and I want to highlight this offer more. So I am trying to select, yeah, this is best. You can see that now I can able to see it well. So I will export this image. Now I will go to Instagram. So here I will post the story of this picture, and same as it is, you can use any of the social media platform to promote and to show the offer on this product that you are selling. So I'm going to post story. You must be using Instagram or whichever profile you are having on social media platform. You can post the picture. Now, one more thing you have to do, you have to give the information how anyone can approach you for this product or whatever product you are selling. So as you can see that I'm writing here, if you want this product, you can DM me, or you can also write, they can approach you on WhatsApp. So this is how you have to give proper information. And one more thing, if you want to build the trust of your customer, for that you can give an option of cash on delivery, because most of the scam is going on social media platforms, so people don't find it much trustworthy. So this is how you will create image and you will post on social media, and I will write here weighing machine so that people able to get what product it is. And if anyone try to approach you, you can simply ask for their address and you can give them cash on delivery option, so that once they receive the product, they can make the payment then and there. So you can see that I have created this image and I will post this on my Instagram story. So you can see that I've already posted it here. Also, you can make a post on Instagram by mentioning caption of 70% off on this weighing machine, and you can get just in 350 rupees. So this is how you can make the post. And once you receive the DM and address of any customer, you will go to Meesho app and you will again go to that product. So here I am going to select this weighing machine which I'm going to resell. So let's say if I got an address from any customer, then I will go to my that particular product. You can see that we have good reviews on this weighing machine. So I will go on buy now option. So I will change here address as it is my address written here. So I will write the same address which customer has given me. I will change the address, then I will go to next, and then below I will scroll. I'll get an option of reselling the order. Click yes. Now give the margin of 350 rupees. So you can see that I'm getting margin of 59. That will be my profit on this product. Now I'll click on continue. So this is how you can place the order for your customer and you can get your margin, and you can avail the profit on whatever product you are selling, and on each product that you resale you will get that profit. So this is how you can earn on regular basis. So I hope you find this video helpful, because I tried to cover each and everything so well to make you understand how by watching this video you can able to earn money online. So I would only request, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe, be the part of Basics with Meeta, because I'm making the videos on basic tech skill and information that we all should know. So do subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, give thumbs up and share to this video. Also, you can give hype to this video so that it will motivate me and I will make more such videos for you all. So till then, take care, have a great time.